Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. Today we'll guide you through a powerful visualization using the law of attraction. Together, we will unlock your energy, raise your vibrational frequency, connect with the universe, and set powerful intentions through visuals. Find a calm and peaceful space where you can sit comfortably. Rest your palms facing up to allow the flow of energy. Gently close your eyes and focus lightly on your breath. Take a deep inhale and a gentle exhale. Continue with slow, deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle more and more into this very moment. Relax into the rhythm of your breath. Let go of all thoughts. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Focus entirely on the sound of your breath. Now visualize a bright light appearing at your third eye, almost like a portal is opening. Allow this light to grow brighter and brighter. Its glow is powerful, inviting, and cleansing. Picture the light expanding, spreading further and further, growing brighter and brighter. Feel its energy, filled with love and positivity, connecting deeply with your heart center. As you merge with this light, feel yourself gently floating toward your third eye. Entering through the portal into a space where light surrounds you. Now visualize yourself standing in this space, radiating confidence, holding a strong, powerful pose. Feel the strength within you as you prepare to embark on a journey toward your greatest manifestations. Take a step forward into this light. Stepping forward into your new self, your new reality. In the distance, begin to bring the image of your manifestation into focus. Allow the vision of what you desire to start appearing. Something that truly makes you happy. What do you see? Where are you? Who is with you? Let the scene unfold, slowly at first, and then become clearer. See it playing out in the distance like a movie. Feel the excitement growing within you as you realize that all you visualize will come to you. Step forward into the visualization, one step at a time. Breathe deeply as you walk into the scenario, the dream, the manifestation you desire. Now, fully step into that environment. Feel the sensations within every cell of your body. Claim this manifestation as yours right now. Look around you. What is happening? What does your manifestation look like? Who is there with you? Engage all your senses to make this experience vivid. See the colors. Hear the sounds. Notice the scents. Taste the air. And feel the textures of this space. Feel the excitement, the joy, the liberation of achieving this goal. Know deeply that your manifestation is already complete. You are here now, experiencing it. Let this beautiful, powerful energy fill you. Every cell of your body resonates with the truth of this moment. Take a slow inhale and draw this energy inward. Claim your manifestation now. Exhale and bring these energies into your physical reality. Allow your energies to anchor in this present moment. As you slowly return to this space, carry with you the knowing that your manifestation is already yours. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and come back to this moment. Namaste.